I'm sure you two have received quite a bit of advice on what it means to be married, and everyone has given you opinion on some great advice. Don't go to bed angry, or this or that. None of them have a certificate from the state of Utah that says that they can be a marriage officiant. So my advice that I will be giving you right now is the most important advice. Keep that in mind. And that advice for you two is to love unconditionally, to love each other without any limitations, love each other without judgment, love each other when he remembers those surprises that you never thought he would remember. And Eric, you need to love her when she laughs at your dumb jokes. Love each other through the joyful times in life and those times that he forgets to wash the dishes. Love the times when she's on her phone. Love every single minute that you guys have together. Love the faults, love the strengths. Love each other when you don't feel like you're worthy of that love. Love each other fiercely and love each other very, very softly as well.
Your love gives this life meaning. It makes every moment that much more precious and fleeting. You are my why. I love you and I plan to love you forever. I couldn't even imagine not having you in this world, and any other world there may be. I know that I will find you and choose you every time and every life over and over again. This I promise to you.
Kassadi, ever since we first met, you have brought me so much joy. I don't think I could be more loved by anybody else. I remember seeing you for the first time and thinking to myself, what if? What if things were to go further than we expected? What if I'm not ready for something more than a couple of fun nights with a cute girl? What if I completely screw this up? I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I'm 100% glad that I took that risk and will never look back. You are my everything.
By the power vested to me by the state of Utah, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. George. Eric, you may now kiss your wife.